Good evening, India, and a very warm welcome to all of you today. Today is an exciting day because we've got a wonderful product lined up, which is going to add on to our already superb portfolio. And today, QNet India has joined hands with Cuckoo, which is Korea's #1 kitchen and living appliances brand. Yes, you heard that right. And we are proud to bring to you today My Home Plus DSG, which is the disinfectant solution generator. And we are also happy and privileged to have two gentlemen from Cuckoo who are with us today to talk about the product and tell you about its usage. But before we get on to the product and talk to our experts, let's have a look at a video. This video will give you a short idea about what the product is. So without much delay, let's quickly look at this video. So hold on while I play the video. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. The next 45 minutes are really going to be exciting for you and it's going to add a lot of value. Here goes.
I've got 10 good reasons not to know my name. You've got 50,000 questions, but they're all the same. We need a new rule, but another your belief. There's 50,000 reasons for us to be free. I've got 10 good reasons not to know my name.
Wow, it was a short video, but then I'm sure it is a teaser. It gives you an idea about what potential the product has. Before we start talking about the product, I'm honored to introduce to you two gentlemen who are going to be joining us today to talk about this product. We have firstly Mr. Anurag Mohan, who is General Manager, Marketing and Sales for Cuckoo Appliances. He's got a vast experience of over 16 years in sales and marketing. He's worked with diverse brands across categories of consumer goods and with major brands like Eureka Forbes, Panasonic, and Videocon, to name a few. With a strong business and organizational acumen, he's been a leader in market dynamics, product lifecycle management, leading teams, etc. And without much ado, without any more delay, it's my pleasure to welcome Mr. Anurag Mohan. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Tanveer. Thank you so much for the warm welcome, and I am really looking forward to this meeting and to talk about the product and the kind of revolution that is going to bring to consumers' actually perspective, and also for all the partners and distributors of QNet. So I'm really looking forward.
Thank you, Mr. Anurag. And also joining us today is another gentleman from Cuckoo. Nitin is a training professional with over 12 years of experience, and he's a sales professional, sales skill training professional, and he's worked with reputed brands like LG, Sony, and of course now with Cuckoo. And he will be supporting Mr. Anurag in taking us through this product today. So it's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Nitin Panchal. Good evening, Mr. Nitin.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, so great to have you here, Mr. Nitin and Mr. Anurag. So what we'll do now is, since you are the experts, and we'll straight away move on to the product. But Mr. Anurag, before we can talk about the product, I think it's imperative that we should talk about the organization. We should talk about Cuckoo and its heritage. So over to you, sir, and please tell us about the heritage of the organization, and then we'll move on to the product. So
thank you so much. And quickly we'll talk about the brand that you are going to have, the brand that you are going to be associated with. See, if you look at Cuckoo has a legacy of more than 4 decades. and for consumers, and you can be rest assured about the quality of the product, about the brand, and about the products that the brand offers. If you look at the history, Cuckoo started in 1978. It's been more than, as I said, it's been more than 4 decades. And earlier we were the OEMs for a lot of big companies, a lot of consumer appliances companies like LG's and other consumer appliances company. Of course, the parent company, it originates from South Korea. Then we were also OEMs for Philips in 1991. The brand Cuckoo was launched in 1998, and the brand is listed in Korean stock exchange, and it enjoys a very healthy market share in Korea of more than, say, 70% in product categories like that, the one that we are talking to you today, plus the products like water purifiers, what we call water healthifiers, air purifiers, and kitchen appliances. And Cuckoo India is basically a 100% subsidiary of Cuckoo Korea. It was started in 2018, and since then has been quite a journey for the brand. So if you look at some of the facts about Cuckoo, and we thought that we will quickly take you through the couple of very interesting statistics. If you look at Cuckoo, has been the best seller for rice cookers for more than 18 years globally. And Cuckoo, to an extent that a Cuckoo rice cooker is sold every 10 seconds across the globe. And if you look at the SKUs also, it's huge SKUs and with best of the best, very premium product quality. Cuckoo has been the #1 water healthifier brand in Korea. Of course, it is sold every minute in Korea. And in fact, globally, it's sold every 1 minute. A Cuckoo water healthifier is also sold. As I said, more than 70% domestic market share. And we are operating in more than 32 countries. So it's a very big multinational, and really proud to be associated with the QNet family. If you look at, just to build the credibility of what brand you're going to have, if you look at all these awards and recognitions, Cuckoo has been last more than 10 years has been getting the Reader's Digest Most Trusted Brand Awards in Korea. It has been, which is very important for us, very close to our heart, is the Korea Sales and Service Satisfaction Index. The brand has been #1, ranked #1 by consumers. So as I said, a very consumer centric, very premium brand. If you look at the product design, very unique. We have various patents also in the different product categories. And then the brand is basically, the quality is something which we give priority. Quality is something which we don't compromise. So for the product design also, the Cuckoo is top up there, as in the #1. If you look at the National Brand Competitiveness Index, has been ranked #1 for last 10 years. The Best Water Technology of the Year award, what we got in India, which is very prestigious for us. And there's various others awards and recognitions for the brand. So this is the strength of the brand. So yes. So now, so the product that what we are going to introduce to you today is something which is very revolutionary, which converts your tap water into a disinfectant. So isn't it very exciting?
Yes, it is, Mr. Anurag, and this is something that can really revolutionize the way we look at disinfection. And I was listening to you, and I'm really mesmerized. I'm really looking forward to the product. So please continue, Mr. Anurag.
Yes. So this product is basically very simple. So your tap water, it converts into a disinfectant, which is certified by global labs, which is certified by NABL certified labs in India, which can take care, which can be used. The water can be made into disinfectant, can be converted into disinfectant by a simple process, and also it can be used to sanitize, sterilize, and deodorize. Isn't it exciting? A simple water, a tap water, you can convert it into a disinfectant solution, and it can be used everywhere. So talk about it more. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Anurag, and what I am interrupting you because there is a huge demand on my phone WhatsApp for playing the opening video once again. So before we add Mr. Nitin to the discussion, I think we'll play the video once more for those of them who have missed the opening video.
Perfect.
Just give me a second, I'll play it, and then we'll move on to the product straight away. Here you go.
10 good reasons not to know my name. You've got 50,000 questions, but they're all the same. We need a new rule, but another your belief. There's 50,000 reasons for us to be free. I've got 10 good reasons not to know my name. You've got
Wow, Mr. Anurag, I think the video, once you look at the video and what you're saying, turning tap water into disinfectant, that's really amazing. And that's really, it's some brilliant technology. So I think to tell us more about this, Mr. Nitin is also going to join, and
Absolutely.
I'll move out of the way for the while, and please continue.
Absolutely. So let's call Nitin. Let's talk more about. Let's understand the product a little more, and understand what is the technology and all. So I would request Nitin to please take forward.
Yes, sir. As you have seen in the introductory video, the disinfectant solution generator is a kind of a spray bottle, as you see in the video. So this spray bottle has an electrode at the bottom of the unit. So this basically what happens, it generates disinfectant solution. So we are marketing it as a it gives a superpowers to regular tap water. So we just need to fill the tap water and it quickly electrolyzes the tap water to the hypochlorous acid. Now when you once hear about the hypochlorous acid, it is not like the new thing. It is very research product, and it has been used in many industries like for the sanitization, disinfection, and otherwise. So this hypochlorous acid is a kind of a weapon which nature uses to kill the bacteria and viruses inside our body. So we have the white blood cell which produces this hypochlorous, and it actually sterilizes the all pathogens. So to make hypochlorous, we generally electrolyze the tap water, and this is a nature's powerful weapon. And the usage of the product is as such we can use for three purposes, that is for sterilization, deodorization, and sanitization. So also for vegetable cleaning. I will explain you in a few moments. So how it works? Basically, HOCl is an oxidizing agent. So whenever it comes in contact with the cell membrane, as you see in this image, it quickly oxidizes the cell wall. And after the cell wall is destroyed, the whole bacteria gets destroyed ultimately. So this is how it actually oxidizes the whole of the organism. Okay, so for disinfection or sanitization, the timing is very crucial because the oxidization takes a small time. So at least 3 to 5 minutes is recommended. It is known as dwell time. So the benefit of the product is that it is completely natural. It is not having any side effects. It can be used in variety of purposes, like for surface disinfection. It can sterilize 99.9% within 3 to 5 minutes. It can be used on food. It is very unique thing because none of the product in the market is claiming for the, food disinfection. Those are surfaces are
just to add, so you saw the product. It is as simple as that. You take the bottle, fill the water, close it, switch on for 3 minutes, and your disinfectant is ready. There are two options: 3 minutes, 6 minutes. If you do 6 minutes, it doubles the power, doubles the potency of the disinfectant. And for 3 minutes, use it, spray it, deodorize, sanitize, completely sterilize. And we have the test reports wherein you can see that it has with the users of this sanitizer. This is in fact how quickly your bacterial count, your microbial count, viruses count, it comes down. So amazing product, very simple to use. And I'm sure that this will add a lot of value to all our distributors, to all QNets distributor, to all consumers for sure. And with this, we are going to revolutionize the entire market. Nitin, you can continue.
Yes, so correctly said, sir. Since the product has a variety of usage, as you can see over here in the benefits, customers can save a large amount of money because one product gives much of the benefits. It can sterilize, it can deodorize, it can disinfect food, and all. So there is no kind of such product available inside the home readily, which can be used in such a variety of functions. So for the deodorization also, it's like hardly takes at least 15-20 minutes, and it can be used in various of applications, starting from shoe rack to the garbage bin to any of bathrooms or toilets, wherever you want to deodorize. It hardly takes 30 minutes. So it completely deodorizes the odor after it is applied. So you make it fresh and use it as per your use. So
Also, Nitin, important to highlight that HOCl is basically a universal disinfectant. So HOCl is not a chemical per se. It is a hypochlorous acid. It is extremely safe. It can be used on human body. Having said that, we don't have to use it, but you can use it on cloths. It can be used on any kind of surface. Chemical, it is absolutely chemical free. There's no addition to chemical. It through electrolysis process, the water gets converted to HOCl. And if you Google it also, if you research HOCl, it is used as a disinfectant in various industries like your hospitals. It is used in hotels. It is used in industries and so on. So this is basically a universal disinfectant which gets created using a very simple process in this product. Yes,
so
Nitin.
surely, sir, we generally what we did, we miniaturized the commercial machines to in the hands. Like we have made the product such portable, we can carry it along in such testing times like we are facing in pandemic situation right now. It is a kind of a boon, right? We have this kind of product. So looking forward for the advantages, it is like a proven germ killer, and it is most research kind of biocide. You can find many of the research report online available for the HOCl, and it's proven, and it's 100 times more powerful oxidant than chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach is a different kind of thing, but it is hypochlorous is a different thing. But this is much more powerful, and this is eco-friendly. So most of time what happens when we use the chemical kind of stuff, it is not an eco-friendly product, but this is an eco-friendly. It's a biodegradable. It turns back to the water and salt. It's very eco-friendly, and it is such a safe product. It can be used on food, also on baby utility like toys and many of the gadgets. So it doesn't give any residue, toxic residue behind. So it is unlike any other means regular chemical disinfectants. It is very unique. So it is mostly safe on variety of surfaces like clothes, toys, and everything. The only thing is that for usage on paper, it is not like it will tear off. So because it's a kind of a watery. So whichever surface is like water resistant, we can use it directly. Okay, and this is like cost effective. We require only tap water, so it is as good as free. We just need to do investment once, and it is like for the whole life.
Nitin, I think we
So,
should add that now today with the worry that the entire country is having of the virus, which is quite a menace for the entire world, and we are actually right now going through a very tough phase. This can be actually really a solution provider. In fact, if you look at our lifestyle today, whatever material, whatever utensils or whatever vegetables, fruits, what we get from the market, also the first thing that we do is to sanitize. So by using a chemical free disinfectant, you can completely sanitize those fruits, vegetables. You can sanitize your everything. I mean, mobile phones, your computers, your laptops. Absolutely, you can remove pesticides also from there. And so this is of amazing benefits, and especially at this point in time, it is absolutely important to have this product for every family. Every home should have this product at this point in time. And this is, if you look at this image also, you can put your Kinley 1 liter PET bottle also. You can connect your with the bottom wherein electrolysis, that entire water bottle, the entire water inside the bottle can be converted into disinfectant, and that can be then further used to wash vegetables, fruits. If you want to put it somewhere, you can do that, and so that way. Yes, Nitin.
So I will quickly go through the parts introduction. Like this bottle, as you see in this image, has a semi-automatic spray. This is having a function like when we pull the trigger, it gives out micro sprays, and while retracting also it gives out spray. So that's why it is called semi-automatic spray. It has three detachments, means like three attachments. First is the spray, center is the bottle, and the bottom is the base unit where is there is a lithium power battery and electrodes. Okay, so it also has a multicolor LED which gives the status of operation. Like in video, you have seen blue color. It is for the
Okay,
operation.
okay. So I'll tell you. So what happens is very simple process. See, as in this is your put your water, fill the water in the bottle, and then press the button, which is at the down, which is, and you will have these three color indications. First is your if it shows red color, then the machine needs charging. If you have put it on charging, then it will show you that indication, which is half white and half red. And then if it is blue, then you are good to go, then you are good to use the product. So that's the process. And one important thing is to understand is that we should use chlorinated water for this. So the tap water basically has chlorines, it has TDS, it has some kind of salts also. So you have to use you should definitely use chlorinated tap water. If it is you're using a RO water, then it is recommended that you add pinch of salt in that, so that you get the best output of HOCl with that, right? And then of course, Nitin, you can talk about it.
So the product is having a lithium polymer battery inside. So it is kind of a rechargeable device. So it can be charged within 3 to 4 hours with the USB charging. So any wall USB charger will do at least of 1 ampere rating is required. It charges fully in 3 to 4 hours. After fully charged, the red light of charging indicator will turn off, and it will be like fully charged. And when you want to use as a with the power supply, also we can save the battery. Like we use in laptop, we use the power cable and we use the laptop to save the battery. Similar, we can do this in this product. So it has a pod operation also, and the whole product is BPA free. BPA is like a chemical which is generally used to harden the plastic, and it can cause cancer. So this material is not used in this product. So it is completely safe to use as a pesticide removal.
Yes, and of course this that entire thing, the details of the specs of, you will be getting the presentation also of this for better understanding. And so these are basically the technical stuff, the few things that we wanted you to probably see it and understand it. And if you look at the product, it is very easy to clean and maintain. Yeah, it is very easy. It is see, it has the completely detachable body, wherein you can detach the spray, you can detach the bottle, you can detach the bottom also, which is your titanium the base, which does the electrolysis, that process. So the head, the water tank, and electrolytic sterilizer body can be detached. And also the best thing about it is I wanted to mention that if you're using a PET bottle, Kinley 1 liter bottle, that can be attached with a base, if you look at the image here. And then that water can be used, can be stored in small bottle sprays, and it can be carried along. You can carry it in your car, in your bag, wherever you want to go. Use it in the lift, use it wherever you think that we should be using your sanitizer. We can use this.
Wow, wow, Mr. Anurag and Mr. Nitin. I was listening so closely to both of you, and I am getting constant feedback on messages that our distributors are so excited about the product. It is so easy to use, and the way both of you gentlemen have explained it, I think it makes life much easier. So I think I'll give you a short breather, and I'll just kind of summarize some of the key points about My Home Plus DSG. Now, dear IRs, this is something that's really going to change your life and your business, because this product, like I said, it's totally harmless. The water is eco-friendly. We've already talked about the sterilization and deodorization benefits in detail and the technology behind the product. And yes, like Mr. Anurag said, there are two modes, the 3-minute mode and the 6-minute mode. So you can use either of them. And of course, the 6-minute mode will give you a higher concentration of the sterilization. And it eliminates any residual pesticides. So we talked about the benefits for cleaning fruits and vegetables, and as you would have seen in the picture also. So that is a huge benefit, considering today when we are so conscious about the products that we buy from the market, considering that the COVID virus, the coronavirus is really making life very difficult for a lot of us. Very easy to charge. As you would have seen in the previous slide, there is a LED display. It's a USB charge, and you just look at the display and you can charge the product. Very comfortable and wireless to use. And I will talk with Mr. Anurag a little more about some of one or two more features, which, when we were discussing before the presentation, I was really excited to hear from him, and we will ask him to share that in detail. But before we get to that, as you can see in the bottle, it's got a spray function, semi-auto spray function. So very convenient, very easy to use. Just use tap water, and like Mr. Anurag said, if you're using the auto water, use a little bit of salt in it. It's got a blue LED. We talked about the LED, and yes, you can use the PET bottle, and especially the Kinley 1 liter bottle. So what more do you want? I'm saying, what more do we want? And yes, it's totally detachable, and washable parts should be washed. Of course, the machine part, we all know we should not wash it. But above all this, I think one very important thing that I'm sure all of you are waiting for, which is given on the left, is available on a pack of 3, and it's got 1000 BV attached with it. So today is a wonderful day, and I think you should not even wait for tomorrow morning. Go to the e-store now after the presentation and order your product today. Don't even wait for tomorrow. So let's move on to, I'll just summarize the usage. Both of you gentlemen have done it so nicely. I'll just summarize. So you can use it in bathrooms, you can use it in the bedroom, in offices to clean your keyboards, your tables, your mouse, equipment like that. And then, of course, in the kitchen, we've talked about the kitchen, of course, the fruits and vegetables also, and for the utensils also. So
Also,
huge.
Mr.
Yes,
Tanvir,
Mr.
just to add quickly, I'll add that. So if you look at the use of sanitizers now,
Yes,
sanitizers, the way we use the alcoholic sanitizers, right? And this could be
yes,
a great substitute to that, your normal chemical-free sanitizer. And
absolutely,
nowadays,
absolutely.
yes,
I think that is such a brilliant and valid point, and we need to make sure that we highlight this feature. And it's a 3000 BV product in a pack of 3. I probably mentioned the BV wrongly, but thank you, Mr. Anurag, for adding that. And Mr. Anurag, before we get on to the product FAQs, let me remind all our IRs, distributors who joined us today, that as usual, this product webinar is being recorded online, and you will get the recording on your registered email IDs at the end of the presentation. In fact, it takes a little time for the cloud to record the video, so probably about an hour and 90 minutes after the presentation. Mr. Anurag, before we get into the detailed FAQs, which of course we will be, it's there on this slide, and I'm sure all our IRs can look at this slide later on at leisure. There are one or two things I had in my mind, especially regarding the portability. So tell us, Mr. Anurag, how does this product become portable, or how do kind of it helps you to use in not only at home but also the portability or the travel angle to it?
absolutely, and very, very valid and a very good point. And so if you look at, as I said, in that bottle, what is there with the DSD, you can create disinfectant in that. Plus, you can also use a Kinley 1 liter PET bottle to generate disinfectant solution, and that solution can be also stored in small bottles. Wherever sprays nowadays what we use, we can store in that, and we can carry it along in our bags wherever we go. We want to sanitize, we want to sterilize, of course that is very, very important right now. So we can carry it along, we can carry it in our car, of course, to completely sanitize. And this is very, very effective and extremely harmless, chemical free. And also if you look at this is, but one thing that we should of course remember is the whatever store, if you are storing the disinfectant for in a bottle, in a spray, that you should consume it within 24 hours. And if you're
I
not
think that's a
consuming it,
very,
yeah,
I'm sorry for interrupting you, Mr. Anurag. I think this is what is a very valid point here, that we need to really emphasize that once we make the product, and we should ideally use it within 24 hours. And normally, when we are for home usage, when we make it, we obviously will be able to use it within 24 hours.
yes, yes.
Okay, great. I think, and tell us, Mr. Anurag, are there any parts that need to be replaced or serviced? It doesn't look to have any such parts, but just for the clarification of our IRs.
So no, for there is nothing to be replaced, and this will have of course the warranty. So in case of anything, we have our doorstep service backup. And so you can just be rest assured, start putting it to your consumers, have it at homes, and definitely there should not be any issue as such. Yeah,
Great, Mr. Anurag. I'm certain there's going to be no issues, and we will not look at all the FAQs because there's a shortage of time. But very quickly, I'll go through some of the FAQs. You did talk about battery life. And then this question is over there, and I'm sure all our IAs can see that with a 60, even with a 60% capacity, it's got 1,000 cycles, which is humongous. And how many times you can use it after a full charge? So it can be used 13 to 14 times when charged fully, and 8 to 9 times when charged around 60%. Okay, what is the life of the product? This is something that I wanted to ask you, and I'm sure a lot of our IAs have this question. Now, assuming that we use 250 ml twice, 2 bottles in a day, use it for 5 days and 1 charge, that's like 13 years.
that's right.
Huge, humongous. So, I mean, I really need to digest this information. That's huge, Mr. Anurag. And I'm sure all our IAs who are listening to us must have realized the enormous durability. It's a lifelong product, if I have to say that. And it uses a lithium polymer battery, so which is again the top-notch technology. And we'll just look at 1 or 2 more FAQs which we have here. And let me remind all our IRs that this slide and the whole webinar is being recorded for your usage, and you can go through it once again at the when you get the recording. And yes, Mr. Anurag, can you tell us a little bit about the low TDS water? Yes, it's there on the slide. It's there on the slide.
Low TDS water or RO water, wherever you use. So what it does, it takes away the essential minerals. It takes out the salts in the water, so which is required for the electrolysis process. That is why we say
that's why you talk about adding salt.
Yeah, that is when we talk about adding salt to it. And if you add salt to it, it is mentioned there for 250 ml bottle, you can add probably 0.5 to 1 gram of salt, which is 1/4 of your teaspoon. Yeah.
Superb. Thank you, Mr. Anurag. Please don't go anywhere. Be online. I would like to go back to one slide, which this one. In my excitement, I did confuse the BVs. Just to reiterate here, it's a pack of 3 and the BVs are thousands. So I interchange both. Just to remind everyone, it's a pack of 3. 3 का पैकिंग है, 1000 BV में. हिंदी में भी बता देता हूँ आप सब लोगों को. तो आप लोग please go for the product today. And before we end, I think I will be missing out if I don't thank Mr. Anurag Mohan, General Manager, and Mr. Nitin Panchal, the head of training, who have joined us today to to explain to us in such wonderful simplicity about this beautiful product, this new addition to our product line. So all IRs, all I can say is that please don't wait. Jaldi kijiye. The product is already available on the e-store. But before you go away, I would like to thank Mr. Anurag Mohan for joining us. Thank you so much,
thank
sir.
you so much. Thank you so much. And it's been really a privilege to be part of the with QNet family, of course. And we are, if you look at our, I think there has been a great synergy between the two brands, and we are coming together. And with all your brilliant base of people with distributors, will definitely make a difference in the lives of consumers and the public at large.
Certainly. And also thanks to Mr. Nitin Panchal for joining us. Gentlemen, thank you so much once again. And also, I would be missing out if I don't thank our most important, our business partners, our IRs, our distributors who joined us. Thank you so much for joining in huge numbers for this webinar. Let me remind you one more time that the webinar, the complete webinar recording will be available on your registered email ID through which you registered for this webinar. And before we say good night and before we wish you all the best, please don't go away. There is one short video that we'll see, and after the video we will call it a day. So thank you very much everyone for joining us, and please see this video, and then it's good night and goodbye from all of us. Thank you so much everyone for joining us. Good night, all the best, take care, and goodbye.